adventures fill your soul. Not all those who wander are lost. 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 Travel is the only thing you can buy that makes you richer.
Life is either a daring adventure or nothing at all.
The biggest adventure you can ever take is to live the life of your dreams. Not all those who wander are lost. 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 It's fun to be a travel vlogger on YouTube, living life like every day's a honeymoon, seeing the world from Peru to Malibu. It's fun to be a travel vlogger on YouTube. It's fun to be a travel vlogger on YouTube, spending all day walking somebody else's shoes. Everything I see is everything I get to choose. It's fun to be a travel vlogger on YouTube. Wow, the world is wide. You can see it all. All you gotta do is press start. It's fun to be a travel vlogger on YouTube. Everyone is thinking you can do it too, seeing everything the way you want to. It's fun to be a travel vlogger on YouTube. It's fun to be a travel vlogger on YouTube, seeing life from a different point of view, running around looking like a kangaroo. It's fun to be a travel vlogger on YouTube. It's fun to be a travel vlogger on YouTube. Like, share, subscribe, and comment too. He tries things, learns things, and shows you. So join his journey and follow the TMax on YouTube. TMax is a travel vlogger on YouTube. Like, share, subscribe, and comment too. He tries things, learns things, and shows you. So join his journey and follow the TMax on YouTube. Subscribe to the TMax. Smash the like for the TMax. Leave a comment for the TMax. Share this video from the TMax. TMax is a travel vlogger on YouTube. Like, share, subscribe, and comment too. He tries things, learns things, and shows you. So join his journey and follow the TMax on YouTube. TMax is a travel vlogger on YouTube. Like, share, subscribe, and comment too. He tries things, learns things, and shows you. So join his journey and follow the TMax on YouTube. Subscribe to the TMax. Smash the like for the TMax. Leave a comment for the TMax. Share this video from the TMax. It's fun to be a travel TMax on YouTube. The TMax on YouTube. It's fun to be a travel TMax on YouTube. Share this video too. It's fun to be a travel TMax in the YouTube. Yeah. It's fun to be a travel TMax on YouTube. Yeah. Subscribe to the TMax. Smash the like for the TMax. Leave a comment for the TMax. Share this video from the TMax. It's fun to be a travel vlogger on YouTube. It's fun to be a travel vlogger on YouTube. It's fun to be a travel. Subscribe to this YouTube. It's fun to be a travel. Subscribe to the TMax. Smash the like for the TMax. It's fun to be a travel. Leave a comment for the TMax. Share this video from the TMax. Subscribe to the TMax. Subscribe to the TMax. It's fun to be a travel. Smash the like for the TMax. Subscribe to the TMax. Comment for the TMax. It's fun to be a travel. Share this video from the TMax. Check it out now. I'm the man with the cam and the plan and a story to tell, a book to sell. I put my feet in the sand, put my thumb in the wind, put my hands in the air, and I'm off again. And if I could turn back time, I'd do it all over again. And I wouldn't change a thing, 'cause I have lived and I have loved, and I've been around the world in search of the good stuff. I fly like a G6. I wanna see what you see when you see it. Come with me. Come with me. Come with me. I'm ready. You won't know me from a hole in the ground, but you will know my name when the TMax comes to town. I'm all in and all over and all about the place and all around the world and
speakers ignite. Lights flashing bright, it's a worldwide flight. Passport stamp, every stop's a delight. The TMax travels, got the globe in its sight.
Hands to the sky, feel the energy flow. The TMax shows you places you didn't know. From the city lights to the mountain glow. Subscribe to the vibe, let the journey grow. Let the journey
Turn you got. Tokyo streets, round the steam in the air. Paris cafe, light croissant with the flair. Safari in the Serengeti, lion's share. The TMax lens captures beauty everywhere.
feel the rhythm, it's a worldwide vibe. Get lost in the beat, let your spirit collide. The TMax run, open invite. Come travel with us, take off tonight. Seeing globe cities roll on the map. Jet engines hum, no time for a nap. From Rio samba to Istanbul's clap. The TMax journey is a non-stop lap. Hands to the sky, feel the energy flow. The TMax shows you places you didn't know. From the city lights to the mountain glow. Subscribe to the vibe, let the journey
Turkey bell. Turkey bell.